During the last 15 years we've been working on trying to develop a new fuel cell catalyst which is free from noble metals. The catalyst is a key component in a fuel cell device. It's also the most expensive part of the fuel cell stack. So replacing that with something cheaper is important to make the whole stack more cost efficient. Compared to an electric car, a battery car, you can use the same electrical motors, but instead of charging a battery, you are fueling a fuel cell with hydrogen gas. And that gives you longer driving distances and a much quicker fueling time. If the hydrogen then is produced from sustainable energy sources such as wind or sun, then you can have a complete process without any CO2 emissions at all. Our challenge now is to make the catalyst lifetime and activity good enough. So it needs to be as good as the platinum. But we are constantly improving and we are getting better and better. So the near future looks very exciting for us. Very soon our catalyst will be tested at Powercell, which is a commercial manufacturer of fuel cell stacks. Hopefully the technology works, and if it does, then we think that we are in a good position to attract someone to scale the synthesis of the catalyst up in larger volumes.
Oh, the cooperation between academic and industry is important on several aspects. And one is that Powercell, as a small company which has a very skilled development team, don't have the resources to making the research. So in this aspect we are relying on cooperation with people like Anders, who can develop a concepts and new ideas. And we can then test it in a real environment and give them feedback how to improve it and adopt it for operation in a fuel cell stack.
As a scientist, I'm interested in understanding how things work, but we are also now more recently becoming more interested in making an impact on society with our research. And for this it's very important to collaborate with the commercial partners and industry. As an academic scientist, you're not really focusing on product development or fine-tuning. You want to make bigger changes and new larger steps in the development.